and welcome to Plainfield High School, where tonight the Brownsburg Bulldogs will be facing off against the Plainfield Quakers in the Sectional 12 championship game. These two teams have played each other a lot in past years. Sectional championship game tonight, certainly a big game. So this should be a very exciting matchup to watch. What are you expecting from these two teams tonight?
Well, coming off of yesterday, as you saw, both of these teams scoring a lot of points. Like you said, it's a rivalry, and it should be a pretty good game.
And then the winner of this game tonight will be crowned the Sectional 12 champion and will move on to the regionals.
We had really good resolve. We talked about being better defensively, and I thought we were. We played with good physicality. We rebounded. Plainfield did a great job. They scored the ball super efficiently, and I thought it just was a real hard-fought game. Got a little chippy, and I thought again both teams kept their composure, did a great job. Saw kids helping each other up. So again, while it was physical and highly contested, I thought thought the kids did it the right way, so just really proud of them.
How's it feel to be a sectional champion?
It feels good. I've been waiting all 4 years to feel this way, so it feels good. I feel like we never let down the pressure or the intensity on both sides of the ball.
What's yours and the team's mindset moving forward now?
Keeping up the energy and intensity and getting to that chip.
How were you guys able to come out tonight and defeat Plainfield on their home court?
I think we were just focused from the beginning, from warm-ups, everything. We were focused throughout the whole thing. Everyone on our team, they all exhibit toughness, and we needed to perform on defense, and that's what led to our offense.
How were you guys able to come out and really control the game tonight?
I think Coach Lynch had a good game plan, and we just knew what we had to do to win, and we did it.
What's it like kind of having Elijah out there, knowing that either one of you two and Grant can really score at any time from anywhere, having that triple threat?
It feels good because I got trust in my teammates, and we can go really far in this tournament, I think, if we just keep playing the way we're playing.
It's got to be special to win a sectional title.
Oh, yeah, absolutely. They're so hard to win. You know, we've come here a couple times and walked out of here with the disappointed team. So, like, when you can get it done, you need to enjoy it, celebrate it, and we're certainly going to before we get ready for next weekend.